Hello folks, welcome back. MX5 Restorer almost daily vlog. Right, it's Tuesday today. I was off on Monday and Chris was unable to do a video, didn't have time to do it, so Tuesday I've been trying to catch up with where we are with everything, because it's a bit like that when I have a day off. Let's swing the camera around. So this red one here, this was the one that Roy was doing the windscreen repair on. That's sorry, I'm causing a shadow there. But that's now come back from paint. Now this was the side he did the welding repair on around here. So that's all looking nice now. So the wings will go back on. New screen obviously. And then that one will be getting fully polished and going out to the customer. This one here, probably by the time this is on by the time this video's up, this car will maybe either be gone or what. But anyway, this is a car I pointed out on the ramp, I think in the last video, that's available cheap. I think we're thinking £1,000 on this if someone's interested. Nice roof on it. It's done 103,000 miles, good service history. There's a scratch on this wing here, scratch there, and there's a bit of damage on the front. We will change those side lights, but £1,000, that's not a bad car. It's got a bit of rust on it, probably will need some welding for the next MOT, but I think it's MOT till November. Can't remember what that one's in for. That's my wife's California that I'm actually driving at the moment. This is our one that we're selling, that's almost ready now. The correct wheels are now on it. It just needs a final clean and polish before photographing and putting on the website. This one's coming for an overheating issue, so we'll have a look at that. I think that's everything to talk about out here. The low mileage Mark 2.5, we sold that at the weekend, so that's going out. We're waiting for a grill actually. The customer wanted a grill at the front. Roy's giving it a polish. You alright, Roy? He's giving that a polish to get that ready to collect, so that's going out soon. So that's good news. Got that one sold. Right, Ash.
Hey.
You're back on the red one?
Yeah.
Alright, so where are we with it?
I think probably where it was last month, so I've only just bought it in like that this afternoon.
Alright. So you started polishing the front end, didn't you?
Yeah.
I don't think you started that the last time this featured the video. We do actually have another red breaker in stock, so we might try swapping some panels over, like the bumper where that's not great at the bottom there. We might swap that out, but you just polished the front end so far, haven't you, and that's it.
Yeah, you can see where
You might have to talk up, Ash, because the noise going on.
you can sort of see where it's sort of
Yeah, slight difference.
a little bit.
Alright, okay. So what you got left to do? Wheels have gone off for a refurb, haven't they?
Yeah, they've gone off.
And new tyres, obviously, because they've been standing since 2008.
It's just basically what needs swapping over, so I've got to polish the rest of it. Got that breaker needs the bumper off at the back, got to put the clinch on, but it's mostly there now.
Have you taken the stuff off the back?
The clinch was off.
Right.
The motor clinch was
So
off.
this was the area where we were concerned.
Yeah.
It all looks pretty straight there, isn't it? It's lower, isn't it?
Yeah,
Yeah.
bit lower, but
Okay.
to get it back up and around and get the bumper off and have a look.
Great. All right. Let's go find Chris. All right, Chris.
Yeah.
Interesting angle.
Yeah.
Right, this car has been left with us to sort of get on with, sort of as and when, really. Customer's got two automatic Mark 2.5s. This one's incredibly low mileage, isn't it?
7,705 miles.
Yeah, but
Doesn't look like
doesn't look like it. So basically, we've got to make a good car out of the two. So we've got ECU problems as well, this one.
Yeah, so there's codes to do with the automatic box, and then obviously you sort that out, and if that means changing the ECU, mobilise the unit, that means changing all like the locks over. And I think he wants a full respray and load of other little bits and pieces doing as well.
So this could be an interesting one to follow to see what we find. But you've literally only just got it on the ramp, haven't you? So.
I have, but I think obviously it's been looked at before.
Hang on, I'm trying to do fast reverse here.
So yeah, the ECU was just in there like that, which made access to it really easy. But you can see in there, it has had water damage and it is damp in there.
Oh, right, okay.
So, although the ECU doesn't look like, but it could have been cleaned up, it doesn't look too bad at the moment. So we've just got to figure out, sort those codes out, and then go forward on that really.
All right, we'll check in tomorrow.
Yeah, right. See you later.
See ya. And finally, Grant's got this VR Limited in, combination B. I think we've spoken a little bit about it when he was outside, but the main job he's doing at the moment is this is. You've heard me say in a few other videos, look up behind the wing and see if you can see any rust. Well, that's where it comes from. So this seam goes all the way up here, so water gets under the seam sealer, sits in here and corrodes it out. So we're going to do a repair on that, and we'll put a new screen in this one as well because it broke on the way out, didn't it?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Yeah, what's the other side like?
Pretty good. Yeah, it's pretty good. It's just going to need cleaning up and painting, I think.
Oh, okay. All right. We'll find out when we get in there a bit more.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, good. We've got things to do, like there's a key scratch there and service items and things like that, really, isn't it?
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, she's looking service, but it's just the bodywork now.
Cool. See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.
All right, folks. That's the end of that one. We will see you tomorrow, which will be Wednesday afternoon. Take care. Bye bye.